Hello everyone, I am Ramveer from Mapples Academy. Today we are discuss chapter number 2, Federalism in Social Science, Unit 3, Political Science. So first of all, what is federalism? Federalism, in first chapter we discuss the power sharing. Power sharing. What is power sharing? When power is divided between many constituent units of any country is called power sharing. So federalism is also a division of power between groups of people, between government and their units. Federalism dividing power into three main parts. Number one, central or union government. It is the first main part, central or union government of the country. Then number two is state government. State government. First of all, central government or union government is more powerful and highest level in any particular country. For example, in India, India is called a federal country, and another units, suppose state or provincial government, are not so much powerful as central government. There are another third units is local government. This is the lowest level of the government introduced after 1990 in India. This division of power is called federalism. So federalism is a process or it is a system in which power divided from higher level to lower level. Now, what are the features of federalism? There are many features of federalism. Number one, features of federalism. Number one, there are two or more level of government, separate jurisdiction of the government. Two or more level, I told to you the level of government, third level of government found in India. Same as there are two or more level of government, separate jurisdictions, power divided between central authority and another constituent units of any country. Then, constitutional provision to decide these power. All these power are decided by the constitutional provisions of any level of the government. There is no interfere by any organ of government to another. If disputes arise, then judiciary solve the problem. Judiciary solve all type of problem in this country, in any federal country, not in this country, for all the federal country, for India, Supreme Court and High Court and another court are interfere to arise, to dispute, to solve the dispute to many countries. Then, separate resources of all the level of government. All the three levels have the separate sources of income, for example tax, and what is the criteria of that person, or what is the criteria of that particular organ of the government. So all these are divided according to this system. So these are the features of the federalism. So federalism, you have clear that it is a system when power is divided between categories, between level of the government and many members. Okay students, thanks.